in layers.
Hi.
So there's different kind of plastics that can be used like that. There's also liquid resin printers that use different formulas of liquid resin that have different attributes.
Is there a way that you can like adjust the attributes to be exactly what you want, or is it just preset like it's this or that?
As far as the resin and such,
yeah,
it's just what the chemical makeup of the resin is when you buy it. So you would choose to print out your model in a resin that will do the thing you need it to do.
I see.
So if you're printing out a prototype part that you're trying to test for your new machine, your new car engine, your new whatever,
right?
You would print something that you would use resin that would have certain physical characteristics in the finished product that match what you need, like high temperature, highly flexible, or
right,
et cetera,
durable.
They make them in different colors. They make them. There's clear. So yeah.
Okay. So I don't know what you call those shoes, but we need to start printing out those shoes. Hi. And make it so that they fit people's feet. That's our new company.
Okay. Well, they do that with. I don't know have you seen ads in recent years for these companies that will make braces for you? Like you go to the dentist and get measured, and then they'll make the braces for you.
No.
Those braces are done with 3D printers.
Cool.
They have there's a resin that's used for dental products like that to make them safe to have in your mouth, all the time. So it's cheaper and they're disposable, because when you have braces, you have to get them, adjusted and tightened and such as you go along. But they'll just send you another one that's a little tighter. It's 3 months, and then in 3 months, I'll send you another one.
So they take a digital mold of your mouth and then just alter it slightly month after month.
Pretty much, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. There's places that'll do that with frames for glasses as well.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah, I imagine you might be able to print out some kind of shoes like that.
Yeah, that'd be neat.
I'm not sure if you would get. I'm not sure what kind of materials would be comfortable, but you could. I mean, heck, they're printing out houses now.
Well, I mean, it'd have to be highly durable and conform to the feet. But you could just print out the soles and then attach that to leather shoes. I like this intersection. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, you could have some kind of like customizable. It's fit exactly to someone's foot. Yeah, you just make a mold or a scan of their the bottom of their foot and put it in there.
Scott, is this architecture doing anything for you?
It's very nice. It's colorful with being gaudy.
Yeah. That's a nice cafe.
I like that mustard color on the previous building we were looking at. Yeah, I like that too.
I don't know if you can see it. I'm a little frightened to zoom, but I guess we got to try it at some point, right?
Sure.
Well, prepare thyself for the zoom.
I'm ready. Oh. Frozen up on my end, Wesley. Uh-oh.
I don't know why it's doing this, but hopefully we'll think of a solution. We've got one camera to use, and that's fine. But
all right.
Yeah, we're gonna need to fix this to figure out what the solution is. I don't understand why it's doing it. I don't know if you recall when we first started doing these, we went with another company, and their software would do this. Their software would do that, exactly that thing. So
Are you using the same camera?
I couldn't change the camera.
Well, no, I mean, like, is it the same camera from the previous software, from the previous
It's the same
streaming company?
phone. Yeah.
Okay.
I've only ever had this phone.
Well, if it's doing the same thing in different softwares, it might be something in the phone would be my...
Well, I mean, but we've been using StreamYard for years now, and it's never had this problem.
Right, yeah.
So StreamYard is going the way of the other company, but maybe this is it could be a Chrome problem, to be fair.
You never know when those wires are going to get crossed, I guess.
True.
Then you reset it, and it just goes back to normal for some reason.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not sure what the solution is. Like, do I need to just uninstall and reinstall Chrome? That's really the limit of what I know how to do, so I hope that's it.
Oh, I will say that if you are running an Android device, do not uninstall Google.
Oh, you mean like the Google search app?
I'm not sure about that, but Mama decided she was mad at Google and uninstalled it, and her phone wouldn't work properly without extensive rehabilitation on my part. So, because Google is obviously a part of the...
I should probably ask if you can hear the music here.
Yeah.
If not, it's probably not worth stopping.
It says Hope. That's nice.
Oh, so you can hear the music?
Yes. Well, I mean, when they're playing, yeah, they seem to have stopped.
Yes, they're stopped right now. I can't zoom in on them, so...
That's all right.
Which this is all you get.
That's fine. They're not playing now. They've gotten shy.
All right, well, we'll give them some cash anyway. Now, we're slightly off the market, but this is still a weekend thing to do. That's come down the Food Street. I mean, not every street is Food Street. Hi. But this one has especially a lot of restaurants that are popular in the evening.
See a lot of massage spas too down through here.
Yep.
Massage.
Yeah, thank you.
That last spa was owned by the Foot Clan.
No, I got their international organization everywhere. That's why they call themselves.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah. The International Foot Clan was going to be my joke.
Those Ninja Warriors don't arm themselves. I mean, you gotta pay up for that equipment.
You certainly do. Now, Scott, we've got a choice, as is so often the case in life. That's the bar street in that direction, and then around here, I think we've got more restaurants. Any particular direction you're interested in seeing?
What do you think our viewers would like?
Well, since their number currently 0, I would say you can ask yourself that question. Future viewers.